Have you ever wondered what keeps the heart of modern businesses beating? At the core of every thriving company lies a robust information system, or IS, a dynamic blend of people, processes, data, and technology. This integration is not just foundational, it's the pulsating heart that drives all modern businesses forward. Information systems serve as the backbone, supporting a myriad of operations and strategic decisions. Whether it's streamlining workflows, enhancing customer relations, or providing critical data for decision-making, these systems are indispensable. They are meticulously designed to manage and distribute information effectively across an organization, ensuring that every piece of data serves a purpose. From transaction processing systems that handle day-to-day operations, to management information systems that aid in strategic planning, and from decision support systems that facilitate complex decision-making to comprehensive platforms like ERP and CRM systems, information systems encapsulate a wide array of functionalities. So let's dive deeper into each component that makes information systems indispensable. At the core of any information system are its people. Diving into the world of information systems, it's clear that the technology and processes are vital. Yet it's the individuals at various levels of an organization who breathe life into these systems. These are the end users, managers, IT professionals, and stakeholders. Each plays a unique role interacting with the system to perform tasks and achieve organizational goals. Let's start with the end users, who are often the frontline operators of these systems. Whether they're entering data, processing transactions, or retrieving information, their daily interactions provide the operational backbone of any information system. Their feedback is crucial, driving refinements and enhancements that make these systems more intuitive and effective. Moving up the hierarchy, managers use these systems to make informed decisions. By analyzing data and reports generated by information systems, they gauge performance, strategize improvements, and steer their teams toward meeting business objectives. Their role is pivotal in aligning the capabilities of information systems with the organization's strategic goals. Then we have the IT professionals. These are the architects and maintainers of information systems. From designing the infrastructure to troubleshooting problems, their expertise ensures that systems are not only operational but also secure and up to date. They work behind the scenes, but their impact on the smooth functioning of business processes is immense. Lastly, the stakeholders. These individuals, from investors to board members, might not interact with information systems daily, but their interests are deeply tied to how well these systems perform. They look at the system's output to make broader business decisions, which could include funding allocations, market expansions, and other strategic moves. Each of these roles is interconnected, creating a dynamic human ecosystem that is essential for information systems to thrive. Through their interactions, they ensure these systems are more than just a collection of processes and technologies. Clearly, without the human touch, even the most advanced systems remain underutilized. Every click, every command follows a pathway designed for efficiency. In the intricate web of an organization, the role of business processes within information systems is nothing short of pivotal. These processes are the well-oiled pathways that manage how information is captured, processed, and distributed across various departments. Imagine them as the veins of the organization, circulating vital information to where it is needed most. Take, for example, the process of order processing. From the moment a customer places an order to the final delivery, every step is meticulously mapped out. The order is captured via an online form, processed through a transaction processing system, and the inventory levels are updated in real time. This seamless flow not only ensures accuracy, but also enhances customer satisfaction by speeding up delivery times. Similarly, inventory management illustrates the prowess of efficient processes. It involves tracking stock levels, orders, sales, and deliveries. Utilizing sophisticated algorithms, the system predicts when stocks are likely to deplete and automatically triggers replenishment orders. This not only prevents the chaos of overstocking or stockouts, but also optimizes warehouse space and resources. But why does all this matter? Well-designed processes significantly boost organizational efficiency. They reduce the need for manual interventions, minimize errors, and speed up response times. This efficiency isn't just about doing things faster, it's about maximizing accuracy, reducing costs, and improving overall service quality. Moreover, in today's data-driven landscape, the role of these processes extends beyond mere operational tasks. They are foundational in extracting and leveraging analytical insights which guide strategic decisions. Whether it's understanding customer behavior, optimizing supply chain operations, or forecasting market trends, every strategic move is backed by data processed through these robust systems. Streamlined processes ensure that information flows smoothly, powering every aspect of a business. What is an information system without data? Merely an empty shell. Imagine walking into a library where all the books are blank. That's an information system without data. Data is the text in our metaphorical books, the essential element that transforms a system from a mere collection of technologies into a powerful tool for decision-making and strategic action. Let's dive into the fascinating world of data within information systems. At its core, data represents raw facts and figures, details collected from myriad sources like customer interactions, business transactions, and market trends. These are the puzzle pieces that, when correctly assembled, give a comprehensive picture of an organization's operations and environment. How is data handled? Initially, it's collected, either through direct inputs like sales transactions, or indirectly via sensors and online interactions. Once gathered, the challenge is to store this data effectively. In modern information systems, data is meticulously organized in databases, files, or cloud-based storage solutions, which serve as the backbone of information management. But storing data is just the beginning. The crux of data management is ensuring its quality and integrity. This means data must be accurate, complete, and consistently formatted to be reliable. Security measures are paramount, as data breaches can lead to significant financial and reputational damage. Moreover, data must be accessible to those who need it, when they need it, ensuring that decision-makers can always tap into up-to-date and relevant information. The true magic happens with data analytics, a process that transforms raw data into insights. Through analytics, data is examined to reveal trends, patterns, and anomalies. This capability doesn't just support decision-making, it enhances it, providing predictive insights that can forecast future trends and inform strategic planning. In sum, data is not merely collected and stored, it is the lifeblood of an information system that informs every decision and strategy. It is the foundation upon which businesses build their capacity to operate efficiently and innovate continuously. In the digital age, data not only informs decisions but also drives innovation. Technology is not just support, it's a catalyst. In the realm of information systems, technology acts as the backbone, enabling organizations to manage, process, and disseminate information with astounding efficiency and precision. At the core of these technological frameworks are robust hardware components, including servers that store vast amounts of data, and networks that ensure this data flows seamlessly across different parts of the organization. But the marvel doesn't stop at hardware. Software systems such as enterprise resource planning or ERP and customer relationship management or CRM systems play pivotal roles. ERP systems integrate core business functions, finance, human resources, supply chain management, and manufacturing into a unified platform. This integration not only streamlines operations but also enhances collaboration and provides real-time visibility into organizational activities. Imagine the synergy when all strands of a business pulse in unison, driven by a single system. Similarly, CRM systems are at the forefront of managing customer interactions. They help businesses track every engagement with customers across marketing, sales, and service channels, ensuring that each customer feels uniquely valued. This is not just about storing contact details or sales history. It's about crafting a personalized experience for every customer based on meticulously gathered and analyzed data. These software solutions are continually evolving, necessitating that businesses keep their technology up to date to harness new functionalities and maintain competitive edge. Upgrading systems isn't just a routine maintenance task, it's a strategic move that can dictate the trajectory of a business's growth. Moreover, as technology advances, the integration of artificial intelligence and machine learning into these systems is becoming more prevalent. These technologies offer predictive insights and automation capabilities that were once the stuff of science fiction, now pivotal in decision-making processes and operational efficiency. In essence, the technological components of information systems are not mere tools. they are dynamic enablers of potential. With cutting-edge hardware to support vast data needs and sophisticated software systems driving core business functions, technology in information systems is a game changer. With the right technology, businesses can unlock new potentials and reach unprecedented heights. As we've seen, information systems are more than just parts of a machine. They are the symphony of human ingenuity, procedural efficiency, data integrity, and technological advancement, all playing together in perfect harmony. Each component, from the people who design and manage these systems, to the processes that govern them, the data that fuels them, and the technology that supports them, is crucial. None can function in isolation. Integrating these elements effectively is what makes an information system robust and responsive. People, the core of any system, bring understanding and creativity. Processes ensure this creativity is channeled into efficient and predictable outcomes. Data acts as the foundation, offering insights and driving decisions, while technology amplifies capabilities and connects various facets of the business. Together, these components don't just coexist, they interact dynamically, supporting seamless business operations and facilitating strategic initiatives that are essential for any organization aiming to thrive in today's digital landscape. In the intricate dance of business, information systems lead with grace and precision, ensuring success in a digital world.